Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Dodge's 1994 to 2001 Ram 1500.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Unbolt and lift the truck bed to create clearance. Remove the fuel tank, fuel lines, and any brackets in the work area. Remove the rear leaf spring and shackle from the hanger and remove the spare tire. Step 3. This frame section repairs the area that houses the rearmost leaf spring hanger, trailer hitch assembly, and spare tire crossmember. The leaf spring hanger and trailer hitch assembly must be removed in all cases. If replacing the spare tire crossmember, remove it after clearing all lines and harnesses. If keeping it, remove only the perforations on the frame section. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Slide the frame section into place using the factory holes for alignment and seat it tight against the frame rail. Step 5. Clamp the frame section in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place prior to welding all edges fully. Step 6. Reinstall or replace the spare tire crossmember, rear leaf spring hanger, and trailer hitch assembly using the included hardware. Weld the perforation lines closed without welding the mounting holes shut. Finally, apply a rust inhibiting top coat.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Once dry, reinstall the fuel tank, fuel lines, rear leaf spring and shackle, spare tire, then lower and reinstall the bed. Now, get back out on the road.